Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change brightness in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to change brightness in your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Windows 11 Start menu, just right click over on it and then click here Settings. After click over Settings, in the right side you're going to find here something say and Display. Click over there Display and then you're going to see something say Brightness. You can easily decrease the brightness or you can easily increase the brightness you want in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Also, there's another quick shortcut way to change brightness. In your Windows 11 taskbar on the right side, you're going to see the volume or accept icon. Just click over there and then you're going to see there is a brightness. You can also customize, change, increase or decrease brightness in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.